In this video, I want to talk about how you can become a Shein reviewer. Now this is super simple, guys. What you want to do is head over to your profile. Once you're in here, click on free trial, go to home, and you will see every product currently that you can review. So just find one and press free trial, put in your address, and once you receive the item, you want to do an honest review. Once it's uploaded in here under your applications, you will see if it gets approved. If it gets approved, you'll get Shein points, and if it gets rated as a high quality one, you'll get more points and it will increase your chance for free trials. So you can see here I have 3 more this week, and that's basically how it works. So if you consistently make high quality reviews, you'll keep getting free trials and you can keep doing this. Now I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.